Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK and our topic is nature is our best friend. So before we going to start, we can see here a thought on nature. Nature always wear the color of the spirit. What it means? It means nature have a color of soul. What you see in your environment will always be of your spirit. It will be based on the person you are, your belief, and your learned and characteristic. So now we will going to learn in detail that how nature helpful to us in our lives. So first is trees. Here we can see a photograph of trees. So trees is most important role in human life. How it's is important in our lives. So learn in detail. Trees occupy an important place in the life of man. So trees are the most important role in human life. The trees provide us flowers, fruit, fodder for animals, wood for fire, and furniture, and provided cool shadow from scorching sun. So what gives trees from what gives the tree? So trees gives us flowers, fruits, vegetables, and fodders for animals, wood for a fire, and also furniture. And most important things, they provide a cool shadow from the scorching sun. So trees is a most important role in human and all human beings in lives. They gives us so many such a good things and yet expect nothing in return. This is the most important thing. So we learn this because the trees is can't expect in return. They give so many things and but don't expect in return. So this is the most important things that trees gives us so many things but can't expect in return. So childrens, everyone can understand about this slide. So now we will going to learn a next slide. Trees gives us fruit for our food and flowers for a pleasure. So what trees gives? Tree gives fruits and food, fruits for a food and flowers for a pleasure. And they provide us wood for a building our houses and making furniture. So here we can see that so many things we get from the trees. Trees gives us fruits and flowers, also a shade and wood for making houses and furniture. So, children's trees are most important things in our life. Many trees provide us a medical products such as a quinine and eucalyptus. In the fact, most of the medicines that we use ultimately come to us through trees and vegetation. So trees gives us also a medical products and so many medical products they gives but they can't expect in return. Here we can see the cycle of trees and they trees also give us oxygen. So children, so many things we can get from trees and trees is most important role in human life. So children, now we will learn a next slide. The tree play an important role in purifying the air around us. This is the most important things that trees play an important role in purifying the air. The trees purify the air around us. And this is the most important things. They breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. So this is the most important things, that they breathe out an oxygen and breathe in carbon dioxide, that sustain our lives. So trees breathe out in oxygen, and that's why we can live from the depends on tree. Thus they make this world a better place to live in. So trees a gives us an oxygen to our breathe, and they breathe in carbon dioxide. So that's why this world is better place to live in. So children, tree gives us so many things in our life, and most important things, that they purifying the air, and that's why we can breathe in a purifying and good air. So children, now everyone understand this slide. So now we will learn next slide. Trees are also a very necessary for having a good rainfall. So this is the most important things, that the rainfall is depends on trees. The trees attract rain, brings clouds, and prevent soil erosion and conserve the earth. So trees is many things gives us, and also prevent soil and erosion and conserve the earth. They provide us wood for a fuel. Most important things, they provide us wood for a fuel, and they supply sleepers from the railway line. So this is the most important things in our life, that trees gives us so many things. We get from trees in so many things, like fruit, flowers, wood, then oxygen, then also we can stop from soil erosion to depends on trees. So trees is most important things in our life. So children, everyone understand this. So now we will going to learn next slide. So bees, this is a picture of honey bees. Here we can see, this is a picture of honey bees. Honey bees is small insects, but it also gives us a honey, and it is an important role in human life. So honeybees are the small flying insects. Honeybees is flying insect, but small flying insect belonging to the category of Hamphones ptera, with a presence in all around the world except Antarctica. So honeybees is the small insect, and what it gives a honey. Okay, now children, we will learn a next slide. Honeybees are super important pollinators for the flowers, fruits, and the vegetable. So honeybees, this means that they help other plants grow. Grow. Bees transfer pollen between the male and female parts, allowing the plants to grow seeds and fruit. So honeybees is the important role in a plants growing. So children, here we can see the photograph of honeybees. So honeybees is gives honey, and also importance for a growing plant. So now children, we will going to learn next slide. Honeybees live in hives. Here we can see the picture or photograph of hives, and the inside of these photographs is inside of hives. So honeybees live in hives or colonies. We can see here the honeybees hives, and also here also this is a photograph of hives, and this is a inside the hives. So the member of the hives are divided into three types. First queen, second workers, and third donors. So in hives we can see a divide in three parts. First queen, second workers, and third donors. So now we will going to learn in detail. Okay, next. Queen. The one queen runs the whole hives. Here we can see the photograph of hives, honeybees queen, and they runs whole hives. Her job is to lay the eggs that will swarm the hives next generations of bees. The queen also produces chemicals that provide the behavior of the other bee. So children, here we can see the photographs of hives. So now next, what is the worker? So this is the photograph of worker bees. These are all female and their role are the forage for food, pollen and nectar from the flowers. So this is the picture of a worker honeybee, and it is work for food and build and protect the hive, clean and circulate air by breathing their wings. Workers are the only bees most people ever see flying around outside the hive. So this is the worker honeybee, and it works for a hives, and also they can take a food. Okay, now next, donuts. So these are the picture of donuts. Here we can see so many honeybees. So these are all donuts. They are the male bees, and their purpose is to mate with the new queen. Several hundred live in each hive during the spring and summer. But come winter, when the hive goes into the survival mode, the drones are kicking out. So this is the picture of donuts, and these all are the male bees. Okay, now we will going to learn next slide. Okay, honeybees are the fab flyers. Here we can see honeybees live in a group, and they honeybees are a flyers. They fly at the speed of around 25 kilometer per hour. So honeybees fly very fast and beat their wings 200 times per second. Here we can see honeybees is flying very fast, and bees give us honey. So what we get from bees? We get from a bees for honey. We get honey from a honeybees. The honeybee is a social insect. We can see here the honeybees is also a social insect. Okay, now children, we are going to learn next slide. Okay, now next is sheep. Sheep is also a in nature. Sheep are among the most vulnerable of domestic animal. Here we can see a photograph of sheep. So sheep is domestic animal, and domestic animals are ones that have been tamed for use by a human. So what is domestic means? Domestic means that have been tamed for use by human. People eat sheep meat and drink sheep milk. So sheep give us milk, and also the wool is used to make a clothes. So sheep gives us milk and meat and also a wool. Male sheep are called rams and female sheep are called ewes. Sheep are closely related to goats. Here we can see the shapes is look like goats. Okay, children. Now we will learn a next slide. So sheep eat a grass and plant. What sheep eat? Sheep eat grass and plant. Also a sheep is a they often graze in a large group, live in a large group or flocks. Here we can see a photograph of sheep. So sheep live in a large group or flocks and also eat a grass and plants. People raise sheep for their meat, milk, and wood. So, what is sheep gives? Sheep give us meat, milk, and wood. The meat of an adult sheep is called mutton, and meat from a younger sheep is called lamb. So, younger sheep called is lamb. So, also a baby sheep called lamb. Some people drink a sheep milk. It is also used to make a cheese. So sheep milk is used in making cheese. Okay, now children, everyone understand this slide. So we will going to learn next slide. Sheep. Here we can see a photograph of also sheep. Sheep were one of the earliest mammal raised by a human for varieties of the purpose like wool, meat and milk. So, what gives sheep? Sheep gives us wool, meat and milk. So domestic sheep are found in a wide range of color from the white and chocolate and brown including the pigmented white. So various types of sheep we can found. We can see a brown sheep, white sheep, also a chocolate color sheep and also a white sheep. So are everyone understand about the sheep? So now we will going to learn a next slide. The sheep are very useful animal. Here we can see a picture image of sheep and sheep are very useful animal. Their furs of sheep are very soft and long. The furs of the sheep is very soft and long. These furs are shed made into wool and these furs spread made into wool. So we will get a wool from a sheep. Some female sheep are milked and the milk is used for a cheese, yogurt or just as milk. So milk is using for making cheese, yogurt and also a drinking for milk. Sheep's milk contains more protein and has a higher fat content. The sheep can also survive in through a climate. So sheep we will get from a wool, meat and also milk from a sheep. So in human life sheep is a very important role. So children, now we are going to learn next slide. Coconut tree. So coconut tree is also important role in our human beings life. Coconut palm trees grow into a tropical area. Here we can see photographs of coconut tree. So coconut palm trees grow in tropical areas such as on warm coasts and rainforest. So they produce the fruit known as a coconut. So coconut tree gives us a coconut fruit which is a type of a fruit called a drupe. Also we can say it drupe. The coconut fruit and tree itself are used for many things such as making soap, furnitures and broom. So how it helps? So we will learn in detail. The coconut tree is among the most useful tree. It is a very every part has used and can make so many things. For many people, coconut tree is a source of livelihood. People make ropes out of coconut husk, mat, French roofs, and traditional houses. We make so many things in coconut. So coconut tree has several benefits including health and commercial benefits. Many people are depends on it to make a living and believing that it is the tree of life. So coconut tree is very important things in human life, and so many things we can get from coconut tree. So children, we will learn in details parts of the coconut tree. There are so many parts useful in coconut tree. First, the husk. Second, the shell. Third, the flesh. Next, water, the leaves and the hearts and the spread in Florence or the flower of coconut tree, and the trunk and the roots. Now we will going to learn in detail. First, the husk. This is the photograph of husk. This is the rough exterior of the coconut, which is made up of the tough fibers. Black in the days when there were no any surrounding pad to wash the dishes, the local used the coir with the stand to clean the pots. It gives a quite a shine to unsail. So for a families who called the afford matters, the fiber was used as a stuffing to make a homemade matters. The whole house is also great to plant with a fuel fires and make a toys. So many things we will doing this for the husk is useful in so many things. So now we will going to learn next the sail. Before reaching the delicious flesh inside the coconut, one has to get through the head. Sail. The today this is mostly thrown away from the exciting the flame. Did you know that the makes a great charcoal replacement? The sail, which is quite a strong, is also used by a artisans to create a long-lasting handicraft. So, sail is the most important thing. So now next the flesh. This is the edible part of the nut and also gives a vitamin to the flesh and cooked for processed manufacture other products. When this is the photograph of sail, we can get a in coconut from a sail. Okay, now next the water. Also fresh coconut water is high in B vitamin, proteins and absorb. So we can here see water. We can water get from a coconut. Now next the leaves. This is used in wave hearts, basket and so many things. So the leaves is also useful in so many things. Okay, now next the heart. The heart is also a underrated leaves of the coconut tree, and it is a daily see that in high demand by both local and visitors. So this is the photograph of heart. Okay, now next the tusk. This is the photograph of tusk, and this is the strongest part of the coconut, and they make a great pillars as well. Okay, now roots. This is the part of the trees hold for full trees. So this is the root is a most important part for a coconut. Now next this is the flowers of coconut trees, and also we can get in coconut. So this is the most important things. Now next cow. So cow is a domestic animal and which they gives milk also. They have 2 ears and eyes and each one big nose and 2 sharp horn and long tail and for a lime. So what we get from a cow? We get from a cow for a milk, and also a cow eat fresh grass and vegetables, and cow's milk is a very nutrition and benefit to human body. Okay, here we can see the cow has 4 legs and 1 tail and 2 ears, and cows is used for milk. Okay, now we can see here the cow eat a grass. And now next, a sugar cane. What we get from sugar cane? We can get a sugar from sugar cane, and this is the most important role, that sugar cane is a grass and the sweet part eaten is not fruit because it is not a part of contain seeds. So we will get from a sugar from sugar cane. And the hands. So what we'll get from hand? We will get eggs from a hand. Hands make a signature of a chicken, and chicken is sound to probably familiar with. So hand body is covered with feathers, and also hands give us chickens. And can you believe that hens can start laying eggs at around about 5 months old? Oh, in very small age. Or here we can see a photograph of hen. Also hen is laying eggs, and chicken may live for 5 to 10 years depending on the breed. So what we get from a hen? We will get from eggs from hens. And now next, what is this? This is a tea garden, and Assam is located for a tea garden. It these unique environmental conditions that gives the teas their special qualities. And so this is the tea patti, and we can get from a tea. So what is tea garden? The tea garden is the place to grow your favorite herbs for a tea and much more. Tea hives visually appearing. So children, we are get from so many things from the natures. Now we will going to learn some exercise. Look at the picture and the words, match them. Write the meaningful sentence. One has been done for you. So here we can see a sentence is and one is done for you. Now we will going to learn in details. Cow give us milk, and then sheep give us what get from a sheep? We get from a sheep for wool. Okay, very good. Now next, bees give us what we get from a bees? Bees give us honey. Okay, now very good children. Now next, hen give us what we get from a hen. Hen give us eggs. Okay, very good children. Now next, number 5. We get blank from a coconut oil. Coconut trees. What we get from a coconut trees? We get from a coconut oil from a coconut tree. Okay, very good children. Now next, we get blank from a sugar cane. What we get from sugar cane? We get sugar. Sugar from a sugar cane. Very good children. Now next, we make a blank from a wood. What we make? Here we can see the picture of wood and chair. So we make a chair. Very good. We make a chair from wood. Okay, very good children. We get blank from a tea gardens. What we get? We get tea. We get tea from a tea garden. So children, everyone can understand this about nature. So that's why nature is our best friend, because nature is gives so many things in human lives. So children, you all enjoy. Very good. Hope you are learn and enjoy this lecture. Students, I will see you next time. And also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly and eat healthy food and stay home and stay safe. Okay, thank you students.